मोमेंट्स। अब हमारे पास मैम के पास एक्चुअली टाइम थोड़ा कम है, वक्त की नज़ाकत को देखते हुए उन्होंने अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाला है, तो मैं उनसे दो चार लाइनें कहूँगी इस प्रकार की। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या, सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई। क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना, क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। मैं भी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हर्डल्स के बाद इस पोजीशन पे आई है और मैं उनके लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस को ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी। आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट Mrs. Rupal Pandey ma'am. Please ma'am, come to the stage and share your valuable thoughts with the...
Good evening to everyone. Yes, you said that's very correct. Actually, since 3 days, we were having the exam, CUET exam, not 3 days, 4 days. Let me tell you, audience, I was very much exhausted, fully exhausted. I was in dilemma whether to come or not, because it was very late also. But then I felt, no, I don't want to just, because Siddiqui sir, Gulrez sir, the way they had invited, and I wanted to keep their words, and I felt that I should come. You won't believe, Siddiqui sir, all the panel, definitely members, and at the same time, all the sir also. Let me tell you one thing. The moment I entered, I got the energy, and the way the children, that Josh, that energy, that enthusiasm, that excitement I could see, and it is definitely, we say, it is very contagious. It came to me, and I'm really very much amazed. The children, when I see them, that the confidence, especially. They have no shyness, there is no fear, and the way they were, their accent, their confidence and their pronunciation, their vocabulary, this was amazing. This is what exactly sir had already praised. He appreciated. Say, ma'am, please come for a little time and just see the amazing talent. You know, parents, I just would like to say that whenever you go for any job or business, anywhere, the first thing is asked, what about your strength? And when we ask about the strength, the first thing comes is communication skills. And I'm so happy to see that our young generation that is just completed 1.5 decade or just 18 years old, not even 2 decades also, and I can see that communication skills, and which is the biggest strength which opens the door for the world for them. It opens the door of that is what I would. So you have already, let me tell you, 75% of your work is done because you have an excellent communication skills. And apart of that, the second thing is that being when I was a teacher also, then as a head of the school also, we used to say since 20 years that students, this is I'm talking till 90s, we used to say that God has given talent and use that talent. But since this 7-8 years, it has changed. Education system, it has changed. We say now, God has given different talents to everyone. You must identify. You must identify what talent you have got. And this is very much required, and you children know what exactly the talent you have. So very happy, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for calling me, and it was really jury members also. I'm really happy for the brilliant questions they asked, and immediately without. I saw one girl just now when she said, by the time he complete his question, she was so excited to answer the question. Immediately, by the time he could complete, she said the answer. So nice. This is what we want. And when she said, let me tell you, at the end, I will not take much time because there are many students are there, and I'm just, actually you all must be waiting for that talent to see. But hurdles are the part of the life, obstacles are the part of the life, but from that only you learn a lot. So from this 30 years of journey that I have learned, let me tell you, it started from Gujarat. I'm born and brought up in Gujarat. I shifted to Maharashtra. I was there for 10 years in Maharashtra, 10 years in Bangalore, 10 years in Delhi, and now I have shifted last year in UP. But I am totally speechless to see that children's talent. Really, let me tell you, you have that competitive spirit and you can do anything, you can achieve. That's what you always aim higher. Always aim higher and give your best. That's what for the day today I would like to say. Thanks a lot once again to everyone.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि
Audience, please give a thunder clap for your
मैम के लिए जोरदार तालियां बताएं। इतनी हम्बल पर्सनालिटी हमारे बीच मौजूद है, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू अटलो। एक बार फिर से मैम को हाथ अभिवादन करते हैं जोरदार तालियों से।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious time. Audience, please give a thunder clap. ये सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन और ये मोमेंटो मैम जब आप कभी भी फ्यूचर में देखेंगी तो हमें ज़रूर याद करेंगे, सर को याद करेंगे, आप इस फंक्शन का पार्ट रही थी। एंड विश यू ऑल द लक एवरी टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। कीप विजिटिंग मैम।